trying to figure out if a to the fifth is less than 4 to the power b. So a cubed is negative 27. So the way I did it, I just thought of another way to work it. What I did was I broke the a to the fifth up to a cubed times a squared, because you know when you multiply like bases, you add your exponents. And I substituted in a negative 27 in for a cubed. And see, oops, hold on. This side, the left side, will always be negative, because no matter what a is, when you square it, it's going to be positive. So this side's going to be negative. The right side is always going to be positive, no matter what b is. If b is negative, let's say b is negative 1, well, remember, if you got a negative exponent, if you take it, move it to the opposite place it's in, it turns into a positive. You know, this is 4 to the negative 1 over 1, and if you move that to the bottom, it changes the sign of the exponent. So what I'm saying is, the right-hand side is always positive. So a negative number is less than positive. So clue 1 works. Clue 2, this means if you take the square root of both sides, you always get a plus or minus when you do that. It gives you plus or minus 4. So b is plus or minus 4. So we're looking at a to the fifth is less than 4 to the either plus or minus 4. No matter what, this right-hand side is positive. You know, if you got 4 to the fourth, or if you got 4 to the negative 4. But we don't know what a is. A might be positive, and then that would be a positive number. If a was negative, it would be a negative number. So we don't know what a is, so only clue 1 works.